Next we are going to see the reduction reactions until we saw the oxidation of aldehydes and ketones. Now we move to the reduction reaction. First, reduction to alcohols. Reduction to alcohols. The aldehydes, we already know the aldehydes and the ketones can be easily reduced to primary and secondary alcohol. Aldehydes, it give primary alcohol, and ketones, it give secondary alcohol. The most commonly used reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, NaBH4. NaBH4. These two are the most commonly used reducing agent. I hope you remember the oxidizing agent. What are they? Do you remember, children? Yes. Acidified K1O4, then acidified K2Cr2O7 and chromic acid, and also corn nitric acid. You have to remember the reducing and oxidizing agent. Now we move to the example. With the example acetaldehyde, we can understand the reduction to alcohol. The primary alcohol, the aldehyde CH3CH double bond O, CH3CH double bond O, acetaldehyde. It reduced to ethanol. Reduced to ethanol, ethyl alcohol. That is ethanol. It is a primary alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. How it happened? CH3C double bond OH, it reduced to alcohol. There is a cleavage of double bond. There is a cleavage of double bond. There is addition of hydrogen, and here also one hydrogen. In the carbon, one more hydrogen, and oxygen also one more hydrogen. So we have CH3CH2OH. As the OH group is attached with CH2, it is a primary alcohol. So we know the aldehydes, it undergo reduction and it give primary alcohol. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol. Now we take the example acetone, CH3C double bond O CH3. It is reduced to isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. There is secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. The formula is CH3CHOH CH3. CH3CHOH CH3. This CH group is attached with OH, so it is a secondary alcohol. As the OH is attached with CH, it is a secondary alcohol. If it is OH is attached with CH2, that is a primary alcohol. Aldehydes, it give primary alcohol. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol. The same way only it is happening. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Here C double bond O, there is a cleavage. It gives the OH group. Addition of hydrogen is happening. Along with the carbon, one hydrogen, and OH also one more hydrogen. Here also one hydrogen. Here also one hydrogen. Cleavage of double bond. We are getting CH3, CH, OH, CH3. So CH3, CHOH, CH3. So it is a secondary alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. So ketones are reduced to secondary alcohols. The above reaction can be carried out with hydrogen in the presence of metal catalysts like platinum, palladium, nickel, and lithium aluminum hydride, etc. So not only with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, they also carried out with hydrogen in the presence of metal catalyst. Then they do not reduce to the isolated carbon-carbon double bond. If the reaction is carried out with hydrogen, they do not reduce the isolated carbon-carbon double bond and the bond of benzene ring and the double bond of benzene ring. But in the case of alpha and beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketone. Alpha and beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketone. This lithium aluminum hydride reduced only C double bond O group. It leaves the C double bond C bond as such. But in the case of unsaturated aldehyde and ketone, lithium aluminum hydride, here reduce the C double bond O. This is very important. They may ask in one word. So we have to remember aldehydes it gives primary alcohol, ketones it gives secondary alcohol on reduction. Reduction to hydrocarbon. The carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone, it can be reduced to methylene group. The carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, that is CH2. Because of this reduction alone, by using the suitable reducing agent, it gives the hydrocarbons. The aldehydes and ketone, they give the hydrocarbon, and because of C double bond O, the carbonyl group, it changes as a methylene group, CH2. We can understand by suitable examples also. Now we see the Clemmensen reduction. In Clemmensen reduction, aldehydes and ketones, when heated with zinc amalgam. What is zinc amalgam? With a combination of mercury. Zinc and mercury is named as zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. This aldehyde and ketone, it heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. It gives the hydrocarbon. It gives the hydrocarbon. Because C double bond O, it become CH2. How this acetaldehyde it become ethane? Let us see. In acetaldehyde, C double bond O, as usual, it changed to CH2. C double bond O in acetaldehyde changed as CH2. C double bond O reduced to CH2. So what may be the chemical reaction? CH3, CH2 and H. So it become CH3. CH3, CH2 plus H, it become CH3, CH3. Ethane is a constant hydrocarbon. So aldehyde, it is reduced to hydrocarbon. So we understood the reduction of aldehyde to hydrocarbon with a suitable example. Let us see the ketone reduction. We took acetone as example. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, it is reduced to propane. How? As usual, C double bond O, it become CH2. It is reduced as CH2. So it become propane. CH3, CH2 instead of C double bond O, CH2 and CH3. So we are getting propane. CH3, CH2, CH3. This is a reduction of ketone. The same way, one more reduction we are going to see, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here also aldehydes and ketone, they undergo reduction. When they are heated with hydrazine, what is hydrazine? NH2, NH2 is hydrazine and sodium ethoxide. What is sodium ethoxide? C2H5ONA. C2H5ONA is the sodium ethoxide. When aldehyde and ketones heated with hydrazine, there is nothing but NH2, NH2 and sodium ethoxide, that is C2H5ONA. They give hydrocarbons. They also give hydrocarbons. In this reaction, the hydrazine acts as a reducing agent and the sodium ethoxide as a catalyst. Hydrazine acts as a reducing agent. Sodium ethoxide is acting as a catalyst. Let us see the example. In Wolff-Kishner reduction, the same example is given. Acetaldehyde, it become ethane. Acetone, it become propane. The reaction condition only change in presence of NH2, NH2, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide alone. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone first convert to its hydrazone, then on heating with a strong base, it gives hydrocarbon. This is one of the reduction.